Hello friends, welcome back. Let's explore the Customizer API experience that classic themes allow users to customize their site. Can you see these edit options? These edit options are only displayed by the Customizer API when its transport method is selective refresh. So if I click here, then it will redirect the Customizer panel to its relevant control and panel tab. Now, if I click on the link here, it will navigate to that setting. So you don't have to find the settings, it will directly redirect the panel. So now if I replace the changes and refresh it again, we also have the edit icon for our copyright text because of a selective refresh. This is how we add customizer settings, controls, sections, panels, partials, and different types of refresh methods. Now, if you want to see about the customized setting, we have that option called pre-option underscore ID base. So here you can see that the ID base of a setting and then the preview filter function callback. Then its filter is theme_mod underscore ID base. You can go through all these classes and files to understand more. But here the filter has been added and used to apply the changes of the customized setting made by the user. It will make a call to the PHP for selective refresh using JavaScript or the default refresh. And it's going to depend on the type of the option of the setting. If it's a theme mod, then the filter theme_mod underscore is used to apply the change value for previewing. And if it's an option, then the pre-options filter is used to apply a change value for preview. When we make changes, then we have to make a preview of that live. Otherwise, there is no meaning in adding the settings into the customizer. Because if you make a change in the customizer and the user cannot see the preview and has to go to the front end to see those changes, then that's of no use. Then there are many things to dig into, like to learn more about how this customizer API internally works. You can see these classes, settings, section, panel, control, manager, and then the widgets in the WP includes folder. And in the customize folder, you can see all the controls like the image control. They have created the image control. Then the media control is provided. Moreover, custom controls can also be created apart from the default controls. Instead of the HTML controls, you can create custom color controls. So we can also create a custom control, custom panel, custom sections and everything by extending the default WordPress classes and build on top of it. We already saw how we can use these classes for registering sections, panels, settings, and controls. You can go through this and also in the 2021 theme, if you go here, go to the classes folder, you can see this customized control, 2021 customized color control. It extends the WP customized color control default class provided by WordPress to build on top of it. You can see the type property to indicate the type of control. Similarly, notice control created using the WP customized control base class. So you can go through these examples to understand how it works and how we can create a custom control and bind it to the settings. To summarize, we have seen how we can add customized settings, controls, sections, panels, partials, different types of refresh methods, and everything. Alright, that's all about the WP Customizer API. You can go through this section in the theme handbook to learn about the Customizer API. And also, parallelly, you can explore the WordPress core code base to understand more about how WordPress incorporates the different aspects of themes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Jai WordPress.